Good evening, Facebook friends and YouTube followers. This is Rich again, back for your second video blog of the day for Wednesday, November 19, 2014, around 5:16 p.m. Billerica, Massachusetts. It was a cold day today. Highs did not crack freezing. I was in my long johns and my shirt today, and my long shirt, so it was cold. Some news to report. Bruins defenseman Adam McQuaid is going to be out 6 weeks with a broken thumb, and also Pittsburgh Penguins forward Pascal Dupuis is going to be out 6 months with blood clots in his lung, so prayers to him. NBC has scrapped the idea of Bill Cosby's new sitcom that's supposed to air next fall. They're pulling it back because they're not going to carry it at all, because all these accusations of Bill Cosby raping women. And also, former New England Patriots cornerback Ty Law is a semifinalist for the Pro Football Hall of Fame. The announcements of who's going to make the Pro Football Hall of Fame will be Super Bowl weekend, January 31st. Hopefully, Ty Law gets in on the first ballot, but there's a lot of good players on the Hall of Fame ballot this year, including Kurt Warner, Orlando Pace, Marvin Harrison, Edgar James, Roger Clegg, Terrell Davis, and Jimmy Johnson, and Junior Seau, and Morton Anderson, among others. So Ty Law might have to wait a few years, but he could get in. You never know. And that's about it on that. My next subject is my Week 12 NFL picks for this weekend. I can't believe we're at Week 12 of the NFL season. Only 5 more weeks to go before the regular season ends. The two teams that have a bye this weekend are the Pittsburgh Steelers and the Carolina Panthers. They're off this weekend, and here are the 15 games I'm picking for this weekend on the NFL. The first game on Thursday night, the Kansas City Chiefs against the Oakland Raiders. The Chiefs are going to win this game pretty easily, 35-10. Sunday games, the first one, the Cleveland Browns against the Atlanta Falcons. I think the Browns will win a close one, 24-21. The next one, the Tennessee Titans against the Philadelphia Eagles. I think the Eagles are going to come back and win this game very easily. I think they're going to win it 42-12. The next one is the Detroit Lions against the New England Patriots. The New England Patriots are going to win this one pretty easily. I think another score by 49-24. The next one is the Green Bay Packers against the Minnesota Vikings. The Packers are going to win this one pretty easily, 35-20. The next one, Jacksonville Jaguars against the Indianapolis Colts. The Indianapolis Colts are going to win a close one, I think, 24-21. The next one, the Cincinnati Bengals against the Houston Texans. I think the Bengals are going to win this one pretty easily. I think it's going to be a score of 24-7. The next one, the New York Jets against the Buffalo Bills. I think the Buffalo Bills are going to win this one in a slugfest, 35-32. The next one, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers against Chicago Bears. I think the Bears are going to win this one by the score of 9-3 in field goals. The next one, the Arizona Cardinals against Seattle Seahawks. I think the Cardinals are going to win this one by a score of 28-21. The next one, St. Louis Rams against the San Diego Chargers. I think the Chargers are going to win this one pretty easily. I think it's going to be 35-14. The next one, the Miami Dolphins against the Denver Broncos. I think the Broncos are going to win this one by a score of 40-20. The next one, the Washington Redskins against the San Francisco 49ers. The 49ers are going to take this one by a score of 28-17. The next one, Dallas Cowboys against New York Giants on Sunday Night Football. The Cowboys will beat the Giants by a score of 25-10. And the final game, the Baltimore Ravens against the New Orleans Saints. The Ravens are going to win this one by a score of 32-29. And that's about it on my predictions for the NFL Week 12 games. Hope you enjoyed them. Later on tonight will be my third and final video blog of the night, which will be about John Hannah the most famous Patriots player of all time besides Tom Brady. Have a good day, Facebook friends and YouTube followers. Bye now.